Hi and Assalamu Alaikum. This is Sandra from Urban Hijab. Welcome to Latin Soul Halal Cuisine. Today I'm making banana bread with chocolate chips. What is particular about this recipe is that I am using yogurt cheese in place of vegetable shortening. So come along as I make banana bread with chocolate chips. The first thing I'm going to do is dust the chocolate chips with 1 tablespoon of flour. What this does is it prevents the chocolate chips from settling to the bottom of the pan. Now, butter the pan, then line with parchment paper. Lining with parchment paper is optional. However, it makes it easier to pull the bread loaf out of the bread pan if you line it with parchment paper. In a large bowl, combine your wet ingredients. In the video, I added the eggs first, but it's actually better to add the bananas first and mash them up. Then beat in your eggs, followed by sugar, yogurt cheese, oil, and vanilla, which is optional. Mix everything together until it is all completely blended. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. In a strainer, add flour, cream of tartar, baking soda, and salt, and pass it through the strainer. I prefer to use cream of tartar and baking soda combination instead of baking powder. But if you prefer to use baking powder, that would be fine. And gently pass everything through the sieve. Passing it through the strainer, I should say. Make sure that nothing that shouldn't be in your banana bread mixture won't be in it. And mix it up very well. Now add the chocolate chips. And gently mix it into the batter. After you have done mixing, carefully pour it into your bread loaf pan. If you would like, sprinkle a few more chocolate chips on the surface. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. After taking it out of the oven, remove from the pan and let cool. I hope you enjoyed this video for banana bread with chocolate chips. If you did, click like and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share it with your friends. If you enjoyed this video, click like and hit the subscribe button. Visit urbanhijab.com for modest lifestyle news, information, wisdom quotes, fashion, and more. That's Urban Hijab. URBANHIJAB.com.